little pre-trip gas because this is cheapest gas I'm gonna find. And before I leave tomorrow, I ain't coming back to this place. So yeah. And don't mind my car. I ain't washed it yet for tomorrow, so don't be on me, bro. Don't be on me. I'm not leaving out like that. Trust me, I'm not. Mustang trying to get a little noisy. It's a mirror over there too. But yeah, stay tuned. How much y'all think it's gonna take to fill up? It was not. We're gonna stop because we're gonna stop because I don't be doing that extra, but I didn't feel like it was me. Try to look at the setup. That's the setup. I'm hoping it stays, bro. I'm hoping it stays. I don't really use the GoPro, so I mean, if I lose it, I mean, but that looks sturdy, bro. But if I do lose it, I mean, ain't like I be using it, but still, I don't want to lose it and waste money. Yo, I'm sitting here waiting on Michael, bro. I've been waiting on him since 3:45, bro. It's taking all day, bro. He said he had the UPS exit, which is like 3 exits down right now. So I'm sitting here waiting on him. I hope he ain't gotta make no stops. I hope he got gas. Cause mister, I want to leave a little bit early. But nah, I hope I enjoy myself for real. Got a lot of personal issues going on right now. So this is kind of like blinded out. But yeah, just hoping to enjoy myself. Stay tuned to the vlog. And yeah, be with you. We're supposed to leave out at 4. And 4:41 we leaving out. So we heading to Greensboro from the 4, Charlotte, North Carolina. Some of y'all might not know. But I'm right there now. Stay tuned. And my freaking GoPro was dead. I thought it was charged. It was saying it needs 4 hours of charge, not 4 hours light. So no time footage right now. Yes, sir. We done pulled up here. Another guy pulling up. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for. So yes, sir. Out here. Just a ticket line? Like I said, Mopar is deep. Even more coming in. Why you volunteer for the grass?
Right there.
Oh, that matte black one right there, cold. They came from Virginia. I will say it's jumping, but they are tearing up cars.